Hi, welcome to ELF Center 2. We're at the year-long theme Earth and Sky, and this unit is Air and Sound. So Center 2, we have our outline right here ready for you to review by checking out the website, mitchellpta.org, programs and events. ELF will have the outline there under Air and Sound. So this center is called Parachute Plunge, and this is an outdoor center if possible. We always try to make an outdoor center for ELF because it's good for the kids to get out the energy, and the classroom is just too congested with 4 centers in there. So if it's too cold, you can do this in the atrium, but please, please, please make sure the kids are quiet. Basically what they're going to do is explore how air trapped in a parachute slows the speed of a falling object. So we're trying to convince the kids that air has a volume and it has density even though it's invisible. So what we're going to do, we have a couple options here. If you're a very resourceful volunteer, you could bring in pine cones for our little anchors. Otherwise, we have a few washers in here. Also, you can check if we need grocery bags. We have a pile in here, and we'll probably just keep trying to replenish them, but just in case. We have some yarn and saran wrap, plastic cups, and this strange fabric I call tulle, even though it's netting. So what they're going to do is basically experiment with different kinds of parachute makings. So you'll take a grocery bag. Each kid can do this if you have the time and the wherewithal. So each child can tie up, you first cut the handles and then they tie up with, maybe 8 or 12 inches of string. And they tie this up with a pine cone on the bottom if you bring in pine cones. That would be the best. If you can't get out there and we just use the washers, that's fine. Let us know if we're running low on supplies though. So that's the first one, and so they're going to drop it off the bus in the playground and see how it goes down. It'll be different because it has a weight. And then we also have some other choices. These cups they can try and make. You could use a 3-hole punch or a hole punch from your teachers and try and see if a cup will fall. But of course the weight's very important. Here's some plastic wrap. You can see how that does. And we have this fabric. I might put in a couple more different kinds of fabric, but this will give them an idea of, does this slow it down compared to something else? So basically this is just the experiment about making parachutes. So it's kind of crafty and it's kind of fun and it's very simple. So I'm going to go ahead and close. Again, if we're running out of supplies, let us know at mitchellelf@gmail.com. And if you have any questions, you can contact us there too. But that's a wrap for Center 2. Thank you.